Hello children, today we will learn about the chapter Computer a Smart Machine. So the name of the chapter is Computer a Smart Machine. Children, all of you know that a computer is an electronic machine that works very fast. Computer is a very useful machine. It is used almost everywhere such as in schools, homes, shops, offices, banks and hospitals. It has become an important part of our life. A computer has some wonderful features that make it smarter than a human being. आप सबको पता है कि कंप्यूटर एक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मशीन है जो बहुत फास्ट वर्क करती है. कंप्यूटर का यूज़ हम लोग स्कूल्स में, होम्स में, शॉप्स में, ऑफिसेज में, बैंक में एंड हॉस्पिटल इन सारी जगहों पे करते हैं. Children, now let us learn about some features of a computer system one by one. So next topic is computer versus man. In this topic we will learn that what a computer can do and what a man can do. Number 1, storage. A computer stores a large amount of information and never forgets it. But a man may forget the information stored in his mind. कंप्यूटर में बहुत ज़्यादा अमाउंट में डेटा स्टोर किया जा सकता है और कंप्यूटर उस डेटा को कभी भी भूलता नहीं है, जबकि मैन के माइंड में जो डेटा स्टोर है वो उसे भूल जाता है थोड़े समय के बाद. सेकेंड इज टाइम. अ कंप्यूटर वर्क्स वेरी फास्ट एंड कैन डू मेनी जॉब्स एट द सेम टाइम. A man needs more time to do any work as compared to a computer. चिल्ड्रन, कंप्यूटर बहुत फास्ट वर्क करता है और एक साथ कई सारे काम कर सकता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आप म्यूजिक सुनते सुनते टाइपिंग भी कर सकते हैं, जबकि मैन को ज़्यादा समय चाहिए होता है कंप्यूटर के कंपैरिजन में किसी भी काम को करने के लिए. Next is accuracy. A computer does not make any mistake. A man can make mistake. Children, कंप्यूटर कभी भी गलतियां नहीं करता है, बट एक मैन गलतियां कर सकता है. Work process. A computer does not get tired and can work for long hours. कंप्यूटर कभी भी थकता नहीं है और बहुत लंबे समय तक काम कर सकता है. A man need rest after working for same time. After working for some time. मैन को रेस्ट चाहिए होता है थोड़े समय काम करने के बाद. नेक्स्ट इज डिसीजन. अ कंप्यूटर कैन नॉट टेक इट्स ओन डिसीजन. अ मैन कैन टेक हिज ओन डिसीजन. एक कंप्यूटर कभी भी खुद से डिसीजन नहीं ले सकता है, जबकि एक मैन अपना डिसीजन खुद से ले सकता है. Orders. A computer works on man's order. Man works. A man does not need any order to work. कंप्यूटर को मैन के ऑर्डर की ज़रूरत होती है. मैन जब ऑर्डर करता है तभी कंप्यूटर वर्क करता है, जबकि मैन को किसी के ऑर्डर की नीड नहीं होती है. Feelings. Last one is feelings. A computer does not have any feelings. For example, if you hit a monitor, it does not react. कंप्यूटर के पास कोई भी फीलिंग नहीं होती है. अगर आप मॉनिटर को हिट करोगे, ठीक है, तो वो कोई भी कुछ भी रिएक्ट नहीं करेगा. ऑन द अदर हैंड, अ मैन हैज़ फीलिंग्स. मैन के पास फीलिंग्स होती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ़ यू गेट हर्ट यू विल फील इट. ठीक है, अगर आपको कोई मारता है तो आप क्या करोगे? फील करोगे. Now the next is uses of computers in different fields. Now children, one by one we will discuss the field where we can use the computer system. So first field is home. In our homes we use the computer systems for watching movies and listening songs. We can watch any kind of movies, cartoons on the computer system. We can listen song. We can search information on any topic at our home. We can play games and we can do homework in the computer system at our homes also. Second is schools. Computers are also used in our schools. So what are the uses in the schools? For keeping records of books and helping teachers in teaching. Computer is used for keeping records of books and helping teachers in teaching. Second is making timetable, report card, etc. And you can also do practicals in the schools. Shops and offices. Computers are also used in shops and offices for keeping records of items, typing and printing bills, sending and receiving messages in offices. With the help of computer, you can send the message anywhere around the world. Computers are also used in banks. In computers, you can keep the details of bank accounts of each and every customer. Computers are also used for taking out money from the ATM machines. Next one is hospitals. Computers are also used in hospitals for keeping records of patients, for preparing medical reports and x-rays, etc. Doctor also uses computer for knowing about diseases and their causes. Next use is designing. With the help of computer, you can design clothes, you can design cars, you can design machines, you can design buildings, etc. Designing and printing books, newspapers, magazines, etc. With the help of computer, you can design and print books, newspaper, magazines, etc. Next one is railway station and airports. Computers are also used in railway station and airports for booking tickets, keeping records of all passengers, and giving information about arrival and departure time of flights and trains. So computers are also used in railway station and airports. You can book the ticket online from your home. Next is space research and defense. Computers are also used in space research and defense department. With the help of computers, you can find out the information about space. You can send rockets into the space. It also helps the military to make security weapons. Last one is learning new skills. With the help of computers, you can learn some new skills. For example, you can learn how to drive a car or fly an aeroplane. With the help of computer, children, you can learn how to drive a car or fly an aeroplane. With the help of computer, you can learn different languages like French, Japanese, etc. You can learn cooking and much more. Next topic is types of computer. We have different types of computers according to size. So here we will discuss only 4 types according to the size of the computer system. So first is the desktop computer. Children, look at the first picture. The first picture is of desktop computer. Desktop computers are big in size. They are kept on a desk or a table. Children, you can see the second picture is of laptop computer. It is small in size. It can be kept on our lap. A laptop computers can be carried around easily. So first one is desktop computer and the second one is laptop computer. Next type of computer is tablet computer. A tablet computer is larger than a mobile phone. It has a touch screen on which we can write using a special purpose pen. Last type of computer is a smartphone. A smartphone is a mobile phone that lets you make calls, send images, and store phone numbers. It can also be used to share images and videos, etc. on internet. First picture is of tablet computer and the second picture is of a smartphone. I hope children this chapter is clear to all of you. Thank you for watching this video. Please press the subscribe, like button and comment for any queries. If you have any kind of doubt, you can comment. I will give the reply. Thank you so much.